Yo guys, what is up? In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can hide every photo on Facebook in just a few steps. So let's dive right into the video. The first thing you're gonna want to do is tap onto menu. And you scroll a bit down until you see settings and privacy. Click onto that and then tap on settings. Now you just gotta scroll down a little bit until you see audience and visibility. And the third option from below says profile and tagging. Tap onto that. Now you gotta scroll down until you see tagging. Under tagging you can see this option, who can see posts that you're tagged in on your profile. Tap onto that, and now it's set to friends. But if you want it to be invisible for them, just tap on only me. Or if you want that only specific friends should be able to see your post, tap onto specific friends and choose the friends you want to be able to see your posts. I really hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments, and please like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.